Hello students. Now the next topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Now here nouns have two forms, singular and plural. All of you know that there are two forms of nouns, singular and plural. Now the both singular nouns that refer to only one thing or one person and plural noun refer to many things or many person. They are called countable nouns. Now countable nouns can be persons, place, animals, plants, objects, units of measurements and collective nouns. Here there is the example of singular and plural nouns like cow in singular and plural in it becomes cows. Road, roads. Lead, leads. Rupee, rupees. Herd of cow, cows, herds of cow. Now use this, that, these, those with countable nouns. Now this is a house, that is a road, these are the houses, those are cars. Now also use article a and the are determiners, one and many with countable nouns means we have to understood it. Nouns that cannot be counted are uncountable nouns. The noun which we cannot count like milk, solid, liquid, materials, natural characteristics, all these are we cannot count it. So that are called uncountable nouns. Here determiners before them are they cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns are always singular in form. So uncountable nouns are always singular in their forms. We use determiners like some, little or much before them. Like she was given a punishment. Now there is no measurement of a punishment. So here you see there is an article A. There is only little rice left in the jar. So you cannot count the rice. So here for rice there is a word little before it. Exercise. Circle the correct option in the following sentences. Example. Do you like to play billiard or billiards? So the billiards is the correct one. First one. She is wearing spectacle or spectacles. So spectacles is the correct answer. His pillar are broken. Pillars. The earth revolves around a sun or the sun. The sun. He sent a word of thanks or thank through me. Thanks. His shorts or short are stained. Shorts. So students, like that you have to find the correct word with these sentences. Now next one is noun practice. Rewrite using the opposite gender. So in these sentences there are one gender is given, so we have to convert it in another gender. Now you have already learned that there are three gender, masculine, feminine and common gender, or we call it a neuter gender. Now like first one example is the drone is a male bee. So here drone is a masculine gender and queen is a feminine gender. So drone becomes queen and male become female. Second, his colt carried his daughter down the forest trail. So colt is a male horse child. So we write the female horse child. So filly carried, and here his become her. Her filly carried, her daughter becomes son. Son down the forest trail. The empress and the prince took a walk in the royal garden. So here the emperor and the princess took a walk in the royal garden. Next, my aunt is rich widow. So my uncle is a rich widower. So students, you have to change the gender of these sentences. Now go to the next one. This is noun vocabulary. There is a one word answer. One who does not believe in God. They are called as atheist. One who always seek the dark side of things. They are called pessimist. So with the help of these one word, you have to find the answer of these sentences. So you have to complete it, and to see the answer you these question, you tap your documentary study yourself below your वीडियो. आपके वीडियो के नीचे जो एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री स्टडी योरसेल्फ करके ऑप्शन आता है, आप उसको प्रेस करोगे तो वहां पर आप इन पेजेस को देख सकते हो. सो थैंक यू.